CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. NFC. Near Field Communication, or NFC, is a wireless networking interface standard that was introduced in 2003. It uses radio frequencies to share data, but only over a very short distance, typically just a few centimeters. NFC has many different applications, but by far the most common is contactless payment. Think about how often you pull out your credit card or smartphone and tap it against a payment terminal. Each time you do, you're using NFC to send your payment information securely to the device. It's fast, easy, and built into more of your daily routines than you might realize. NFC creates a one-to-one connection that supports bidirectional communication, meaning both devices can send and receive data. This allows for real-time interaction, where each device not only sends information but also receives a response immediately. This two-way exchange is what makes NFC useful for more than just simple transfers. It enables fast, seamless transactions and confirmations. On top of that, NFC includes built-in security protocols that help protect your data during the exchange. These security features are especially important when NFC is used for sensitive actions like contactless payments or identity verification. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.